everybody, it's Big E. So, excuse me, I turn the radio down. Just got the car back together with the rear suspension, so we're gonna try and, we've been on this road before. I'm gonna try with this new, with the suspension upgrade, new bushings, and the U-joint. So, we're gonna do a little ride along here. Now, I know you guys probably recognize, I've done videos here before to test the car. Unfortunately, it's still it's closest to the house, and it's a little bit of everything because Pagoda's nice, and that was a great trip, and I would like to do another trip out there. Now with the car being set up different, but with my schedule right now and just the shorter days, just can't work it in the schedule as easily. So I figured maybe this would be entertaining. It's been a while since we've been here, so once we get up over this hill, we're gonna have a little, I'm opening up a little more, and we'll see, you know, what the difference is. I felt it a little bit. You got a car here, so I don't know. Here we go. So wow. Honestly, I can feel the difference from the last time we were here. So, and you see at one point, you can see the speed limit is 40. At one point I looked over, we're doing 60. Maybe we were going faster. I really wasn't paying attention. Honestly, guys, you know, it'd be better to feel it in the seat of the car, because I can brag to you how great it is and how different the car is, and how it really feels like it's on rails now. But unless you actually drove the car before, and as to now, it's not as impressive for me to explain it to you. But from where I'm at in the driver's seat, it feels like it's on rails. And all the long hours of putting those carrier bushings in, spring perch bushings, the U-joints. I mean, everybody wants to talk about building a race motor and horsepower. That stuff's fun. But this detail stuff, which I like to refer to it as, you call it what you will, this really is satisfying because it legitimizes the long nights on this car. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn around up here again, and we're going to head back, see, hopefully we won't hit any traffic. And we'll go back to the park where we started. we'll end our ride there. I just can't believe how nice. I knew there would be a bit of a difference, but I didn't realize there would be that much of a difference. It really handles amazing. Maybe it's a thing too. I'm used to being a drag racer, but I think this guy has an oversized place here where we can turn around. There's nobody behind me, so. The only gripe I have, which might be the bushings themselves, because I did use the grease. What the hell? You might even hear the creak. Alright, watch people walking here. Last thing I need is grandma getting mad when she's walking her dogs and reporting me. That's the only gripe I have is the bushings do creak. I don't know if you'll hear it on the video, but I hear it here as I'm driving. And I did put more grease when I took the trailing arms off. I put more of that grease in it, thinking it would cure it, and it didn't. That's alright. I'll live with that. It definitely feels a heck of a lot different now with those bushings in. The rough road doesn't help either, but that just adds to the road test. Up on traffic, but I'm tickled pink here. The amount of hours to do this was worth it. Man, I can't describe it. Like I said, if you have a C4 and you subscribe to this channel, or if you're just watching this particular video, I would highly suggest spending the time, taking the chance, and doing that, because that's amazing. The difference that makes. Now there's still some tuning, believe it or not, that you can put in a stock suspension C4. There's some stuff you can do to the front sway bar to make it turn even better. But like I said, we did that adjustment on the rear wing. I mean, not the rear wing, but the rear spring, and where we jacked up the left side nut. And if that's already, I can only imagine what this thing will do once we make adjustments to the front, how it's going to turn. But I am thoroughly pleased with the whole deal with that. So here ends our road test with the Shithawk C4. Anyway, like and subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification button. Watch out for each other, take care of each other. We see you next time right here on Big E's. Bye for now.